national presidents and my dear senior JC members. A warm good evening. Today I am presenting a topic, hold me tight. It is based on a family relationship. So I am going to share my screen. Please wait for that. I hope am I audible?
Yeah, clear.
Clear?
Yes,
Clear,
yes, yes.
Okay. I know you all know the ground rules of our training program. Already Bhardas ji already explained the ground rules of this training program. Whatever the queries you have to present, please enter into the chat box and send to please enter into chat box, and I can reply or reply at the time itself. Okay. Can I move ahead? Okay. First of all, I will give you a quote of Zig Ziglar. People who have good relationships at home are more effective in the marketplace. Every there is for every success of every individual or businessman or a professional, there will be a family behind his success. That's a fact. So I am taking this session, hold me tight, for to build a better family relationship. Hold me tight. I last 10 days back, I read a book, Hold Me Tight, written by Dr. Sue Johnson. She is a famous psychologist, and I taken the title and did some researches and find some and prepared this module for a family relationship. Okay. So my core objectives, please note down. My core objective is understand your spouse better, understand the dynamics and know how to control our reactions in our daily life, and know how to maintain our relationships better. These are the objectives of this course. Okay. First, I want to ask some questions, but first of all, I am very much happy to see one lady participant is here. This program is prepared for couples. I am expecting that is Roshni ji also, that is our senior, our PNP's wife, PNP Vikramji's wife, and all the couples available here, please join this program. First, I want to ask these three questions. Do you know what makes your partner worry most? Do you know what your partner is most insecure about? Do you know your partner's least favorite task around the house? These are the three questions, but I don't want answers, but you must think deeply how much you know about your partner. These questions are just an example to decide how deeply you know about your partner. You don't have to answer these questions, but I just wanted to let you all know how well you know your partner. That's enough. Okay. This type of so many questions are coming up. You must answer about that. Then only you can understand your partner well. Then, first of all, for a family, you all know that the nucleus of a family is the couple, the husband and wife. So, but research, so many research says that there are so much differences between men and women. Many researches have been done based on differences between men and women. I will be sharing some of their findings. Please see how women thinks. Women are for multitasking. They have multitasking talented. Research says that women have multitasking talent, and men can do one excellent thing at one time. At a time, they can concentrate on one task. Men. You can see in every home, you can see a room like this. Definitely, it will be maintained by women. if you can see this picture, this is can you say who will be maintained by this male or female? You can enter the chat box. This is always most probably men always messes up. That is that is the findings. One, the bathroom of a woman, you can see like this. For a bathroom of a man like this. Okay. Another research result is over 100 infants were studied on the day of their birth. They are given a choice between looking at a young woman facing having a dancing doll, but then female babies like faces. That is the findings of that survey. That is all female babies looked at the faces of that woman, face of that woman, but male babies looks at the dancing doll. That means male babies likes moving objects. Then another research, most girls prefer drawing people, animals and plants arranged symmetrically and facing the viewer, and likely to use lots of color, and the colors they use tend to be warm. You can observe your daughters or granddaughters. You can see the difference. If doing the if they're drawing at your home, please observe them. You can find out this. Boys mostly likes dynamic actions, scenes, and dynamic movements. They likes action scenes that they likes. That is a fact. That means boys and girls are different, thinking differently. Then another finding, females hear better than men. Females hear better than men. That is, in the brain centers for language and hearing, women have 11% more neurons than men. That is the research finding. Another thing, females can verbally express their emotions better than males. Females verbally express their emotions better than males. Then while we observing a group of boys playing in the ground, we can see like this, larger play groups. They focus on the game itself, very competitive, establish dominance and test hierarchies, show off their physical strength, struggle for social rank, and more likely to use threats. But for girls focus on relationship building. Their pretend play is usually about caregiving and relationships.
Jayadhar, you have to be a little more slow.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Slow?
Slow in the sense, okay. People don't find that very easy to read it. And you have to explain, okay, wait and explain, sir. All this.
Okay, sir. Then I want to explain this, just the differences between men and women. That's all. That is the point I want to convey. So there are much differences between males and females, especially in emotions and thinking. So please try to understand our spouse better. Actually, a family is a combination of men and women. The nucleus of a family is a couple. That is a combination of men and women. So we must take an utmost care to handle each other. That is the basic fact. So I taken some important points, 7 important points about females and males and remedial actions for that findings. That is in the content of this training program. So in order to understand more about your partner, I would like to share some of the useful action plans for both men and female, male and female, which will help you to lead better life. That is my training. That is my presentation going on. Some action plans for men. Then, okay. Friends, do you agree with the statement? Female seeks action-oriented love, care, consideration from their spouse. You can reply in chat box. Baradas ji, please.
Ready,
How
sir.
many is agree? How many are agree with this statement?
Dilip is
Female
agree.
seeks action-oriented love, care, consideration from their spouse.
Vikram has agreed.
And we. I want a clear answer from the lady participant, Ladaji. Also.
Almost all the people have agreed yes.
Okay. This is a finding that all females likes or action-oriented love and care. They're seeking physical expressions than silence. 30 or 40 years back, females never expected such physical expressions. But now scenarios change. All are expecting physical expressions of love and emotional care. They're seeking real love, consideration, and recognition. All men must find some time to express the physical expression of love and care. Sitting with them, chit-chat, surprise gifts, appreciations, celebrations are spreading the message of love. They like surprises and surprise gifts. They don't bother about the money spent for that. Even a stud of 20 rupees can do miracles. Even a stud of can do wonders. They conceive the message of love. So for this problem, I have a suggestion for the remedial action for male partner is find some time for hugs, romance, chit chats, etc. Small gifts, give small gifts, please celebrate small celebrations, you organize small celebrations like that. Okay, this is the remedial action for that. Next findings, I am moving to next point. All females seeking security. Do you agree with that? How many of you agree with that? Security.
Yes, we have so many yeses.
Security from?
I am so particular about one participant. I don't know how many any other lady participants. I seen one.
Oh, Indira is there. So Indira Sogadan is there.
Okay.
Bindu
Okay.
is there.
Then I will move. I'm moving. Female seeking utmost security from their partner. If a husband can provide the message that you are the most secured person in the world, or being with me, you will be secured in all aspects of life, especially health, finance, and any attacks from others.
Hello.
One more appeal to men. So the action plan for men, action plan for men is don't create a block from sharing their problems. While sharing, don't complain them or criticize them. If you criticize or complain them, they will lose the confidence of security. So action for men during a confusion or a crisis, husband must address with utmost importance and care. Create an environment to share all problems. Make them feel the most secured person in the world. If you can provide this much of security, definitely you will be treated as the best husband in the world. I am moving to the next point. This is a third point. Female hates talking about the money spent for them. I want comments.
Geethalata agreed to you. Geethalata has agreed.
100%.
Yeah, very true. Geethalata says very true.
That is true. Even this is not a thing about husband and wife. Even as a parent also don't. If as a parent don't tell the money spent for your daughter. Even as a parent or a husband or a husband never ever talk about money spent for them. Actually, they don't like. They feel hurt when you are talking about money spent for them. So please avoid that. Once again, I am requesting all men, all husbands, all male partners, never ever talk them about the money spent for dresses, ornaments, and cosmetics. Nothing. Don't never don't never tell about the money spent for them. These are the remedial action for that. Next point. Female never suffer body shaming. All females hates body shaming. This also saying I am expecting the comments. This I think
So
all I think prominent males females are prominent. All are not. Any person is not interested in not ready to never suffer body shaming. That's fact. Even as a that is all females hates body shaming. When your face, why your face look like that? What happened to your cheek? What happened to your hairs? All females hate these types of questions in the negative intention, in the negative intentions. They don't like to hear the complaints about their shape or beauty. Such questions or statements hurt them deeply. At any circumstances, never tell about their beauty or shape. Not even as a joke, it will hurt them deeply. If you repeat again and again, definitely they will go far and far. So this is the action plan. Never ever at any circumstances or at any jovial moment, never ever tell about their beauty or shape, even as a joke. It definitely hurt them deeply. So please avoid such negative statements to them.
Augustine says you can praise them.
Yeah.
Gita says never say anything about men.
But I will tell. Next, there are so many action plans for men also, female. How to deal with the female also. I will come. Next point. Female cannot change them by anger. Cannot change them by anger, punishment, or advices. Cannot change females by anger, punishments, or advices. What's your opinion? Any changes happen in your, that is 30, 40 years of life? Friends, some days females may have stubborn, anger, arguments, behavior. This may be happen due to hormone changes or monthly periods. They like persons who reacts after understanding their situation. So don't fight with them or argue with them. Arguments, advices, or punishments cannot change them. Trust and emotional care can change them easily. Create an environment of love and care, then talk about the issue or unusual behavior they're done. Definitely you can see the changes. The remedial action is trust and emotional care can change them. Create an environment of love and care, then talk about the issue, then definitely you can see the changes. But the anger or punishment or advices never change them, cannot change them. That's a fact. Next point. Female likes to share her problems easily and seeks care and support. This is a fact. Compared to men, females can share their problem easily and they seeking support. But they want only emotional support. They're seeking emotional support. They don't want solutions. They're seeking only emotional support. Genuine interest must be there to listen their problem carefully and tell them. This is the key word you must remember always. Don't worry, I will be with you always. This is the keyword. Please use this keyword. Don't worry, I will be with you. They value this emotional support very much. These are the action for men. Whenever they sharing a problem, they seeking emotional support. genuine interest and listen the problem carefully. Tell them, don't worry, I will be with you. They value this emotional support very much. They want only a emotional support. They're seeking emotional support. They're only seeking emotional support. They don't want solutions. Next point. Female hates dictators and staring. This is a fact. Females believing that a real man is the one who can take right decision at the right time. They admire right decision makers and not the one who with financial or physical strength. They admire right decision makers, which proves that they hate dictators. One more thing, they don't like staring people. One of the major issues faced by females are public staring, which makes, especially in Kerala, I think it is more. Staring, that which makes them uncomfortable to a great extent. So they hate staring. So don't stare at them. Whenever while you going with your spouse, also don't stare with other women. Please take care. They don't like it. So they respect the right decision makers, muscles, and power. Then they respect right decision makers than muscles and power, and they hate staring. So this actually I given seven statements and the remedial action plans for men. Now the turn of men. How men thinking, and here you are, please as possible, please bring your spouse with you. Then it will give you a better solution for all the problems. So I will narrate the next statement about male. Male seeking very calm and cool atmosphere at home. Do you agree with that?
Yes, of course.
100%. Okay. Most of the men are seeking very cool and calm atmosphere at home. After their hectic work, while they entering the home, they're expecting a warm reception. But
who is speaking?
I don't know. They may be forgotten to buy grocery. They may be forgotten to buy stitched dresses. It may happen, but don't create unpleasant situation or questioning at the entrance. So my appeal to all female partners, when they reach at home from work, don't start complaints. Whatever the issue, don't disclose now and allow them to be cool with a tea, coffee, juice or water. Present the issue after some cooling time. This is the remedial action. Whenever, but many problems are coming up while entering the home itself. Some complaints are starting. So please take care. If you want a comfortable situation or happy moments, never ever complains at the entrance. Okay. Next, male believes that he is most powerful, so hates insults and comparison. All males believes that he is the most powerful person in the world, so hates insults and comparison. So most of the men believes that he is the most powerful, intelligent and clever person in the world. So don't compare them with other men. That is my request. If you compare with others, I am telling about telling to female partners. If you compare with others, you are unknowingly creating an enemy for them. Most of the men are likes to hear the word, you are the most powerful person in the world. So my appeal to all female partners, Repeat the statements as much as you can. You are the most powerful person in the world. Then you can share any complaints easily.
There's a question. When both are working, what will happen?
Both are
working. Husband and wife are working.
Wife is working. That's okay. Then in which statement? Which area?
Don't. When he comes, don't.
At home. Anyway, that is complaints at the entrance is always creating problem. After some cooling time, we can share anything. That is the best solution. While entering at home, definitely we want a warm reception. We expecting a warm reception. A smiling faces. We want expecting smiling faces. We never expecting that is complaining and anger faces at home. That is the so we don't complain at the entrance. Both male and female will hurt that. Okay. Next point. Male not likes much gossips or much chit chats. Men thinking that listening such gossips are very silly. Most of the females like chit chats and gossips. Gossips means just talking about their colleagues, talking about some incidents that happened in the office, talking about the neighbors, talking about the brothers and sisters, relatives, like that. Most of the females like that. They like to talk about their colleagues, incidents at office or neighborhood or relatives, etc. But whenever you're trying to tell husband may not listen. I also heard lot of complaints from my friends' wives. Most of the husbands giving not much importance to that, and they are thinking they are silly matters. And so, action for female partners. Most of the men are interested in some other areas. Please find out which are their interest, which are their interested areas. Sometimes maybe politics, maybe sports, maybe leaders, etc. So start your conversation with their own interests. After reaching in a momentum, you can share your matters. I am sure you can enjoy the magic of listening. This is the problem. Actually, while we entering at home or while we sitting together, they start their own problems. That is their findings and their like these chats. Definitely, we are not much interested about that. So whenever they're talking about some interesting thing about for both of us, then we will start listen them. After listening, they can share. After reaching in a good conversation and reaching in a good momentum, they can share their things. Definitely, we will hear. We will listen that. That is a result. Next one. Male not interested to share his problem easily and seeking a solution. This is the problem. That is, all males are not ready. Males cannot share his problem easily. Most of the men don't like to share his problem. It's because of males seeking solution. He may think that what should I get after sharing his problem to my wife? So action plan for female partners. I have some action plans. Understand that men seeking solutions, then emotional support. Female seeking emotional support, but male seeking solutions. That is the real crux of this problem. So understand that men seeking solutions, then emotional support. Try to compel them to share their problem. Try to give some solutions to address that problem. definitely, if you can provide some solutions for a problem, that wife will become as a perfect partner. Definitely, they will take care of you in a very good manner. Definitely. So, action plan for a female, that is, compel them to share the exact problem, try to give some solutions to address the problem. Okay. Next, males attracted in this very another important point. That is another important point. Most of the men attracted in neat dressed, colorful, smiling faces. These are fact. These are one of the finding of research. Many wives have a feeling that their husbands didn't mind them or recognize them properly at home. Friends, it is not because of likes or dislikes. Most probably it's because of your dressing or appearance at home. Most of the female, I have an action plan. Most of the female uses faded or torn dresses at home. They don't like to destroy the unwanted or faded or torn dress. They try the maximum utilization. They'll try for that. Then I have an appeal to all female partners. While at home, please neatly dress up, wear a smile. Definitely, your husband will be with you always. While sitting at home, while working at home, neatly dress up, wear a smile always. Definitely, your husband will be with you. Now, one more point, another point.
Not meat, colorful.
Yeah, okay. Colorful. Right. That is why we look at our neighbors. That is because of this. Always, this is a fact. Male are always messes up. When they go to toilet or when woke up from bed, woke up from bed, sitting in drawing room or watching TV, most of the men maybe messes up. This is a fact. I have a request to all female partners. Only one solution for this. Accept the fact that most of the men are like that. So stop complaining and enjoy the harmony. You cannot change your husband. One more point, last point. That is, male seeking always recognition. Men wants recognition to move ahead. Recognition are the fuel for them to move ahead. When a get together is going on, please stop complaining about your husband. Share the merits of your husband to your friends. Then you can see the positive changes happening to your husband. If you want to share demerits, tell directly to your husband. These are the action plan. Tell your friends about the merits of your husband. Share the demerits directly to your spouse. These are the action plan. Friends, I have already shared 7 important emotions and thinking and action plans for the partner of both male and female. I already given. Now I am giving one more important point for both and all at home. Quality time. Now one appeal to both and entire persons to the family. We know that last 21 days we were locked down at home. We spent 24 hours of 21 days at home. Please think how much quality time we could produce at home. Quality time means without any disturbances. Direct interactions to our family members, humor, chats, chit-chats, positive conversation. Yes, friends, nowadays, many electronic medias and smartphones preventing the jovial conversations at home. Even we could not feel the real taste of homely food because of these gadgets and medias. So my humble request to you to all, think about to fix a quality time at home. Please think about a quality time at home. Fix a time for all of your family without the interruption of electronic media and gadgets. Please fix a time that is 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour every day without any disturbances of smartphones, televisions, etc. Then you can enjoy the harmony at home. Then you can easily enjoy the harmony at home. So fix a quality time at your home. That is 30 minutes or 45, 1 hour. Definitely it will change. It will make big change in your family. It will, you can enjoy the harmony all time. Then I am reaching in the conclusion. 10% is what happens. 90% of responses would mold your life. 90% of, actually there is a statement, 10% is what happens, but 90% is how we react or respond to what happens. Please see the video. Just see, please see this video. Friends, that is 10% is what happens, but 90% is how we react or respond to what happens. So I genuinely, the love of a family. So I request that 10% is what happens, but 90% of responses mold your life. It will decide where you end up. So this is a choice. Choose the right choices. And the love of a family is life's greatest blessings. The love of a family is life's greatest blessings. So I genuinely hope that all the things which I have shared with you all helps to at least some of you to lead a better life and to know your partner in a better way. I will be extremely happy if my words was as helpful. If yes, please do let me know as your responses. Even though the title of my presentation says hold me tight, we know that due to a deadly pandemic, all of us are social distancing and we can't be physically together, but hold everyone emotionally, which can also do wonders. Then hold me tight. Thank you and goodbye.
I'm not unmuting anybody. If you want to ask any questions, you can unmute and ask.
Thank you, Jaideer.
Thank you.
That is a very, very